This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Shandra Holbrook. Welcome to your dream home in Bay Lake Estates, West Bradenton, Florida. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, this stunningly fresh 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home has been significantly updated to offer a modern open floor plan, ideal for entertaining family and friends. The spacious and airy layout seamlessly connects the space, providing a perfect environment for gatherings that will impress your guests. The spacious fully equipped modern kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops, making it a chef's delight. The master suite features a beautifully updated ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower and convenient access to the pool, while 2 additional bedrooms offer ample space and comfort for family members or guests. Adding to the home's appeal are 2 versatile bonus rooms, perfect for a home office, playroom, or additional living space. Step outside to your backyard oasis with a sparkling pool, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the Florida sunshine. Located just 3.5 miles from the sugary sands of Anna Maria Island and close proximity to IMG Academy with convenience to SRQ, you can enjoy the best of coastal living with ease. Recent updates ensure modern comfort and style throughout the home. The open floor plan and outdoor amenities make this home ideal for hosting. Enjoy the best of both worlds with a peaceful neighborhood setting and easy access to the beach and local attractions. Don't miss this opportunity to own or lease a beautifully updated home in the desirable Bay Lake Estates. Contact us today to schedule a private showing and experience the charm and convenience of this exceptional property. For more information, review the details.